want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today, we'll be talking about triangle chart patterns, something that you need to know. This is from Bitfinex. It's a trading 101 understanding of triangle chart pattern. So the first chart pattern is called the symmetrical triangle. Now, a symmetrical triangle is formed by a series of higher lows, right, and lower highs, right? And it's neither bullish nor bearish, as it doesn't show a particular direction in its movement. However, that said, the pattern could hint at which direction the price will go depending on the breakout. An upward breakout is a bullish signal, so if it breaks above this, it's actually bullish, meaning the price will go up. But whereas a downward breakout is bearish, meaning the price will go down. Now the other one we have is the ascending triangle. An ascending triangle pattern is formed by a resistance line, right? So that you have your resistance line here and a slope of higher lows, right? The pattern indicates buying pressure is stronger than selling pressure. So of course, sellers want to sell high and buyers want to buy low, right? Buyers will buy low and sell high. And it's considered a bullish formation. And the reason why it's considered a bullish formation, because you can see it's on an uptrend compared to this, which is channeling sideways, right? So sideways, we do not know, but it will form a triangle. You can see it moves and then it becomes slower, right? That's why we call it a higher highs and lower lows. Now, ascending triangle, of course, you can see the trend is moving upward. So you find the resistance, you put the support, and then we know that it's a bullish formation. Of course, sometimes it could maybe drop down a bit. It might, kind of move up, and then it will have a nice bounce up, right? So mostly on this uptrend, we can see that it will be bullish. Now, when the ascending pattern is established in an uptrend, it signals a trend continuation, right? So that's why we use the MACD, because MACD we want to see the momentum of buyers and sellers. On the other hand, when the pattern established is a downtrend, it signals a reverse trend, right? So it's a reversal. Now, a descending triangle is formed by a series of lower highs and a support line. Now, the pattern indicates selling pressure is stronger than buying pressure, and is considered a bearish formation in general. So we always find the support, this is the resistance, but you can see that the trend is going down. So definitely the sellers are stronger than the bulls. So we always will have uptrend, downtrend, moving sideways, and we need to know how to position your support and resistance line, and look at previous high, previous low, and find out using some other indicators to help us find the confirmation for us to place our trade. So we always use the RSI, we use the money index, we will use the MACD, and we use EMAs, right, as signals to allow us to know when is the best time to enter and when is the best time to take profits. So that's very important. Now, when the descending pattern is established in an uptrend, it signals a trend reversal and a trend continuation when established in a downtrend. So I thought this article would be helpful, especially now as we are heading down. So we always will use many indicators. So we in Root Zones here use close to 20 indicators to give us a sense on the technical charts. We also understand the fundamental of the coin. We also understand the risk from the not from the tokenomics point of view, but from a portfolio point of view. And then that's where we continue to grow our entire portfolio, both in the metaverse, the gaming NFT, as well as the top 20 premium coins. Now, in a separate news, we have Elrond. So Elrond, of course, I've been eyeing on this coin for quite some time. I haven't done tokenomics, but Elrond unveils a 1.29 billion liquidity incentive program to propel their DEX adoption, right? So Elrond is an institution-grade, high-throughput, eco-friendly, smart contract platform. Today announced a launch of the largest DeFi incentive program worth 1.29 billion. Now, as per the announcement, the incentive of the program will be dominated by Max, a utility and governance token of the Meher DEX. Now, according to the 1.2 billion max token, of which 202 million worth of max will be distributed to DEX users, will provide liquidity for ELG, max, and USDC coins. I think something that we might try to look into this and see the correlation for this ecosystem. So Elrond aims to be one of the strongest and most influential liquidity bootstrapping platforms via Mayer's incentive program. After its initial launch, Mayer's incentive programs will continue to run in the form and follow-up incentive program geared towards users in the largest DeFi platforms ecosystem. So Elrond, of course, continues to pioneer the DeFi revolution around the world through its cutting-edge, high-throughput blockchain. By launching a liquidity incentive program at a scale never witnessed before, Elrond and Maya DEX are well positioned to lead the inevitable blockchain revolution. Meta Sci-Fi Haptic Glove prototype lets you feel VR objects using air pockets.
Wow.
Right? So it's coming very soon. I think this is one of the biggest challenge in the VR technology, to actually feel someone. So with this new technology, maybe you can actually feel the actual metaverse. So you cannot pet a dog in the Meta right? New high-tech virtual reality glove by researchers are getting closer. Meta, formerly Facebook, is known for its high-profile moves into virtual and augmented reality. For 7 years, Chu has been working quietly on one of the most ambitious projects, a haptic glove that produced sensation like grasping an object or running your hands along the surface. While Meta is not letting the glove out of the Reality Labs research division, the company is showing it off for the first time today and sees a device on wearable tech as a future of VR and AR. So it's going to happen now, guys. If you look at this, so moving forward with the VR and AR, we can soon be one step closer to seeing an infinite world that we can create and touching the objects. I sometimes wonder if I can create a girl and I can touch that girl with this hand. So very, very interesting times to be in, right? So that's all I have in the news today. And Manish, I'm going to hand over to you. It's TGIF.
Yeah. This TGIF, but I think looks like we both are tired.
It's
All
going
the
to be a
hectic
long
week.
weekend, but it's going to be an awesome, awesome weekend. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So while Manish sets up the next segment, join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 10 p.m. Singapore time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
Yeah, so some of the product of Mana, actually, Mana is one of the famous metaverse coin. I thought to cover their product today, their at least marketplace, and probably look and feel of this marketplace and see what are their offerings, and probably we further explore for our how-to videos also. So this marketplace is the go-to place to trade and manage all the decentralized on-chain assets. Uh, I think to access your marketplace, you can just refer the link which I'm showing, market.decentraland.org. The marketplace allow us to sell parcel estate of land, variable, and unique names. Set your own price in the mana and experience date for the offer. So let's see what are the offering they have it. You can see their famous names are there, the famous uh, the entrepreneurs and the famous celebrities are over here. If you want to just take their name, and you can see their prices are there based on their, I think, the social media and the fame. So you can see Mark Zuckerberg is the highest one. The highest mana is needed if you want to buy this. The others also available in 2,500. And then comes your parcel and estates. Let's explore this. I think you can see it's how the lands and all you can buy it here. Look at the dots. Which where the worlds are going. Look at the virtual. So depend on your the premium. If the site or the land is a premium, then you have to pay more mana. And how you can buy it, you have to connect with your wallet first. You can also start creating your signing account, and from there you can use your MetaMask to buy these lands. And let's come back to marketplace again and see what are the others offering they have it. So, in this marketplace, you are allowed to sell, buy, transfer, explore, name your parcel and estate, and give them a public descriptions and grant permissions to the other users to edit the parcel you own. Here, you you can use your wallet before using to market or decentralized.org connect and log in into Ethereum client account that can be interacted with the web browser via recommended using MetaMask. So I show you how you can connect your MetaMask. Let me go through the okay. So let's get. Oh, so we just wanted to continue as a guest. If you do not have account, this is we came to the play the game side. Okay, I just wanted to show you the yeah to marketplace. Okay, so I thought it will allow yeah, you can connect using when you have to sign in. Yeah, I just show you first. If any newest item or any listing you want to buy it from here, you can just click on buy, come here on a sign in, and then it will ask you to connect your wallet. Using wallet, again it will take you to the Ethereum network, connect, and you can also use a Polygon network to buy any collectibles. So here, once you connect your network, once you connect your wallet, this is the place where all your assets will show. So once you have mana in your wallet and you start collecting all this, either a land or collectibles or all this merchandise, then you have a shoes, all you can buy it and put it on your my asset list. And good thing about this my asset is you can also you can also put it on rent, all these collectible which you are buying it here, based on your market value of those collectibles, you can get some kind of passive income here. So we want to explore further more in details what else we can do it apart from block which we are also exploring to buy certain things. Here we wanted to see what else we can buy it here and what we can rent it and what would be the passive income part in terms of the renting out this information. I also thought to explore it today and then show you something how this marketplace looks. So that's all from this mana side. Any other things which I want to cover? Yeah, then they have some terms which we should be familiar about. Land manager. The land manager allow you to manage your land and estate assets. You can access the land manager. There is a URL called land.decentraland.org. The land manager allow you to name your parcel and estate, give them a public descriptions, and these public descriptions they can find it in their map. In the land area there is a map where you will be able to find this with the public description. Then you have a merge land parcel into a state. All lands which you are buying it, you can merge it with one big state, then dissolve an estate into a separate land parcel. Then you have a transfer. So transfer, if somebody want to buy your land, you will be able to transfer to a different owner, and then grant permission if you want to rent your lands. So all these things you can do it virtually. You can connect your wallet and start buying it. There is a view called the Atlas view. Atlas view gives you a bird eye views perspective to every door, coded parcel, state, road, district, and plaza in decentralized land. So let's see how this Atlas view works. Okay, you see this is the Atlas view of the land. Okay, this is your uh, map view, this is grid view, and this is your atlas view. So atlas view, you can find if anyone friends you have bought here and you want to buy a land just next to your friend, you'll be able to search here and put a descriptions, and hopefully we'll be able to buy some for root zones and see what description we can put in here. So yeah, these are the things which you can explore. As many assets you collect it, it will start showing here in your profile when you connect it to your wallet, and it will show you as a assets. And this you can sell it off, you can rent it, or yeah, that's two things you can do it to earn money from these collectibles. That's all I have it. I think this bit not user friendly. Probably we'll try to do more research and come up with this more detailed how to video for this.
Awesome, Manish.
Yeah.
So let me share my screen. Let's see what's happening over at the market side of things. Welcome to the channel. So we are in fear, gentlemen. Finally, right? So this is the cycle. Always when it's fearful in the market, it creates opportunity to buy at a cheap price, and this is one indicator that we use to know that it's time to take out our cash reserve to expand the number of coins in our portfolio, so that when we come back to confidence again, then we take profits off the top and replace back with the cash reserve, right? You always want to keep your cash flow steadily and constantly grow your portfolio over a period of time. So you can see that currently now, based on the trend in the last few days, we have dipped. Of course, we still have that in mind on plan B, 98,000 for Bitcoin. Of course, when Bitcoin moves, the rest of the other sectors will move with it. The US stock market, of course, everything is normal as usual. We always keep track of that. Of course, we see very nice green across the board. Bitcoin, of course, is taking a hit right now, but it's an alt season. We are looking at about 45% movement of money inflow into certain sectors of the crypto space. Now we have 14,000 cryptos, 431 exchanges, $2.5 trillion in the market. We had about 500 billion came off from the crypto space. Bitcoin and Ethereum still takes about 70% of the total market. Top 3 coins: Hamster, Reward Bunnies, and Spooky Shiba. So very weird names are coming out. So Bitcoin last 24 hours is down by 1.89, Ethereum up by 1.79, BNB is up by 3.63, Solana up by 6.95, Cardano up by 3.0, XRP up by 1.72, Polkadot up by 5.0, Doge still remaining strong in the top 10, up by 2.79. Price prediction for Bitcoin, of course,
So
is
long it's just somewhere around 20 to 25.
yeah.
I think it's from past 6 months, I can say that.
Yeah, very long since October, me. So
But
yeah,
good,
let's see.
very consistent also. I think Doge is planning to go on a stable coin or what?
Let's see. Dodge still have that price prediction of $1.
One
So
dollar.
Bitcoin, of course, we are aiming for end of this month to be at 98,000 as plan B. We'll see whether the whales will grant that or not. We never know. We never know how it will turn out. But we have to be clear that the futures will be happening, I think, on the 21st of November. So that's something together in conjunction with Mount Gox, who are actually returning back the Bitcoin to the people who actually had Bitcoin on the exchange when the exchange collapsed, right? So exchanges collapsed, but it took Mount Gox a few years to actually or months to come back and start to return back the investors their Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, of course, is from 100 to 250,000, Ethereum 10 to 15,000, BNB 1,000, Solana 200 to 300, Cardano $3 to $5, XRP $20, Polkadot $85, and Doge $1. Let's look at the market. Total market cap 2.5. We are climbing up again, so you might just bounce. You might go up to a certain resistance level, maybe somewhere here. We are looking at 2.6. If you can break that, that would be great. Of course, 50% of that goes into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I thought I had the indication. Yeah, so if you look at Bitcoin, I kept this chart, right? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it crashed. And I've been monitoring it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be one more up, and then it goes down, and and then we get that nice big dip where the EMA actually crosses the 140. Still considered here as expensive, but you still get it at a discounted price. So dollar cost average per week, this will be the best time to do that. So Ethereum also, you can see a similar pattern, right? So they model, as well as Solana. Solana took a big hit, but it's also climbing back up. So you can see a nice green candle there coming up. Other things to take note, we have Block. Block is also steadily climbing up, right, to 11 cents. Maybe going to hit a high of 12 cents. Highest it ever was about 17 cents. So we'll be looking at this junction here. You can actually just click the horizontal line here. Boom. That's it. 17 cents, right? So let's see whether it can reach. We most likely have just a few, about 50% more to hit its all-time high. So that would be amazing because most of the people actually bought in at 15 cents, 14 cents, especially Mando. I saw on his Twitter, he bought in at 15 cents thinking that the price will be on the rise. Unfortunately, we had, things change and we
And also
went.
in the block, Solana listed in the block marketplace. I think Solana
Yeah.
showing that there's
So
some shop for Solana.
yeah, so a lot of very good project. I can't wait to actually get into the metaverse. I just want to find out what exactly do I need to buy in terms of the gears so that I can, go in to Block and just hang out there and meet new people in the crypto community space, right? We have Hero also. So Hero also suddenly just started to move up again. This is on the day chart. So Hero
And
normally
what was the all-time high for this? Is 17, right?
17 cents. So you
So
see
both
also.
are both brother and sisters are.
Yeah, both brother and sister, 17 cents. So that's something we will looking at. So if you have not buying, don't waste time, guys. Try to figure out yourself. Crypto is not buying crypto is not that difficult. You just have to do a bit of research and find out how to get the coins on KuCoin and purchase the coins. TCP, of course, been low, right? The highest they ever been was I won't say $2, but I would say 55 cents. So right now, good time to buy, right, around this price, and play the game, right? So the game is, I think they are in the beta phase right now. They haven't fully launched, but check it out. I think this is the three things apart from Mana and Sen that we are also observing. So Mana, of course, still on the rise. They might break the all-time high at $5, right? So you can see a very nice uptrend there.
My
So stock to flow, of course, is something that we've been aiming for. That's why I'm constantly doing dollar cost average to someday we may not even get a chance to potentially earn Bitcoin, earn or own one full Bitcoin, right? So that's something that you can build over a period of time. So that's all I have today in the news and the markets today. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah,
Same time.
probably this weekend we'll come up with one how-to video again, and
Yeah.
then just check our YouTube section. And if you're not subscribed, do subscribe our channel so that when we upload our videos, you get notification as well. So see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.
See you. Take care.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest.